Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. I'm so excited to share with you today's recipe. I've been working on this bread recipe for a while and it's looking perfect. This bread is so tender and soft, and best of all, you can make it in less than half an hour from start to finish. It's great as a wrap bread or a naan bread. It's so versatile. Let me show you how to make it and let's get started. I'm gonna start with a clean bowl. To that I'm gonna add 300 grams of all-purpose flour. I add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. You're gonna make sure to mix in the dry ingredients very well, especially the baking soda and the baking powder. Next, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and a half cup of plain yogurt. I'm gonna mix using a rubber spatula and I'm gonna add the water gradually, 2 tablespoons at a time. The water should be room temperature and I added about a 1/4 cup of water. When the dough comes together, I'm gonna use my hands to mix in the dough very well for about 1 minute, not more than that. I cover and I set aside and I'm gonna preheat a pan. A non-stick pan or a cast iron pan will work so well. I'm gonna preheat it to very high temperature. And while I'm waiting on the pan to get hot and toasty, I'm gonna divide the dough into 8 pieces, flour the surface, and I'm gonna try to form 8 small balls. This dough should be so easy to work with. I'm gonna try to form these small balls. You can make them round or oval. It's totally up to you. You're gonna shape them a little thin, just like you see here. And just like that, and right away, you can start cooking the dough inside your hot pan. But before I do that, I'm gonna show you how to make a couple more. You're gonna wanna brush off the excess flour. There you go, it's looking perfect. I move it to a parchment paper for easy transfer. And I'm gonna cook it inside the hot pan. As always, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And if you're liking my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. As soon as the dough hits the very hot pan, and I can't emphasize enough that the pan should be very hot, you're going to start seeing some bubbles, and that's exactly what you're looking for. You're gonna cook it for 40 seconds on one side and 30 seconds on the other side. And I'm not speeding the video here, you're seeing it in real time. Time to flip it. And look at that, it's looking perfect. "30 seconds on the other side and the bread is perfectly done and it's ready for you. keep the bread covered or place it in a bread warmer. You're gonna make the rest the same way, and I'm gonna show you how to make another one. And it's a great idea to wipe off the excess flour, the burned excess flour. Here's another one. I'm making it the same way. 40 seconds on one side, 30 to 40 seconds on the other side. And I'm gonna show you now how I'm gonna turn it into a great naan if you prefer. And naan bread is a staple in the Indian cuisine, and it's so soft and good. What I'm gonna do is mix in some butter, cilantro and garlic. I'm gonna cook them on top of the stove for a minute, just until I can smell the most amazing smell of the butter, garlic and cilantro. And I'm gonna brush it while the bread is still hot. Just like you see here, I brush it all over the bread, and I'm gonna serve it warm for the most amazing flavor. I hope you try this bread and see for yourselves. This is gonna be your new favorite go-to recipe to make naan bread or flat bread for your next wrap or sandwich. If you try this recipe, please leave a comment in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!